First we need to unscrew this cap. After unscrewing we can remove this door. Then we need to remove these caps. To turn on the indoor unit. After the compressor turned on, we need to close the outlet valve using the Allen key. After 2 minutes, we can close the inlet valve as well. After locking this screw, we can close the caps and we can power off the AC. We can remove these two tubes and we need to tape these two tubes after removing it from the unit. After taping the 4 ends, we need to remove the power connections. We need to remove the screws. After removing the screws, we can remove the top cover. After removing the top cover, now we have to remove the screws here and here and buckle these clips. After that, we can remove the throttle unit by pushing it upwards. After removing the indoor unit, we can remove the wall mount by unscrewing the screws.